How to change vibration on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here, proceed to your settings immediately. And then what you're gonna do here next is you will see a lot of options, of course. Now on the second section here where you can see notifications, tap on sounds and haptics. Now the next thing that you want to do is to click on the haptics here. Now you'll see, let's just go back here. I'm sorry. Go here to your haptics and tap on always play here. Make sure to tap on always play. And then here you'll see reminder alerts. Now there's no specific way that you can change vibration, but once you change your reminder alerts here, so basically these ringtones here has different types of vibrations that you want to change your iPhone with, so you can do that. And then basically that's just it. And then let's say you want to turn off your vibration, then you can actually see it here to your accessibility. It's actually under home screen and app library and above wallpaper. Tap on accessibility and tap on touch here. Now scroll all the way down up until you see vibration here. Tap on or toggle off that one to turn off your vibration. And basically that is how you change your vibration on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.